get ready to see Berk in a whole new way. Toothless, are those wing gliders here already? I'm still working on the launcher. I almost forgot the wings. For a wing glider, that is clearly the most important part. When you fly like this, you'll see Berk better than any dragon could, and without all the slaughter. Well, the good news is you all get to see a bronco nest up close. Bad news is bronco eggs explode when they hatch. Looks like there's a way out up ahead.
Baby ride, she said.
And now you're trapped in the exploding bronco nest. Can this get any worse? Yeah, it's worse. It's officially worse. One special wing. Toothless and I had trouble keeping up with you. I hope you'll be back soon because we can't wait to head out flying with you again. Isn't that right, bud? Am I smelling cod? You better not have eaten my dinner. You know, I was saving that, Toothless.